If your home feels like it's always short on storage, you're not imagining it. Closets overflow, shoes pile up by the door, and random items somehow end up everywhere. The fix doesn't have to involve major renovations. A few smart pieces can completely change how a space functions. ClosetMaid's modular closet collection gives you options that actually work. You can use these units in a hallway, a bedroom, the entryway, or even in a home office. The pieces are made to adapt. Start small or build out an entire system. Rearrange it when your needs change. Add to it over time without having to start over. The lineup includes drawer units, shelves, shoe cubbies, divided organizers, and hanging rod kits. Want a more polished look? You can add doors, solid or glass, in white or taupe. Decorative trim, molding, and back panels are integral parts of the design, seamlessly unifying the entire system. All units come in white, taupe, and the newest color, sand. The clean lines and neutral finishes make it easy to blend into any space without making it feel heavy or over-designed. If planning feels overwhelming, ClosetMaid makes it simple. Use the free online design tool to map out your space or work with a professional designer for a detailed custom plan. To explore both options, visit homebyames.com and click the Design Studio tab. Everything you need to get organized starts right there.